Bilhana bin Khairi, Asfarina Yazid, Alia Husna, Hafizudin, Mi Nazri, and Khairul Nizam.
My name is Asfarina Miasida, and I will present to you about professional versus professionalism. So, we have known that professional is person involved in specific activity, but professionalism is attitude about being a professional person. So, professionalism are the features that characterize a profession or a professional person. It is not only about a person's technical ability, it is about right attitude of the goodness of society and humanity. We got 4, which is attitude, conduct, standard, and views. We go for attitude. Attitude is about the way you dress, the competency level of work, the behavior of yourself, and how to treat the people, and you must punctual to go to meeting or whatever it is. Combining these elements is to create a positive and a professional reputation for yourself. Can be advantage to your career in both the short and long term. For conduct, it is the field of regulation of members of professional bodies, either acting under statutory or contractual power. Standard is the standard of professional conduct, cover professionalism and integrity of the capital markets, duties to clients and employers, investment analysis and recommendation, conflict of interest, and your responsibilities. And last but not least, for view, being the best in their field and roles, develop new tactics, perfect their own good practice, terms of productivity and passion, and far-sighted. So, I would like.
Okay, just now Pak Asfarina just present about the professionalism and professional. Okay, now I will tell you about the ethics, firstly the history. Okay, ethics is come from Greek words that is ethos, that means character. Ethics is about morality, characteristic of a human being. Ethics means etika in bahasa Melayu. Ethics deals with moral character. In okay, who involved in ethics? Firstly, is a society. Us, society, ethic in public. Example in your shopping mall. When we do a trade to buy and sell, we need ethics so that our business can go smoothly and our customer will be satisfied with our business. Okay, employers also have their own ethics. Example, if Arif work as an engineer and he has a project to, example, to build condominium. So he got ethics to serve his employee and his workers. Example, clients, we also have ethics to serve our clients, and clients also have ethics to serve their employees. Okay, colleges, that is us as a student. Our friend, ethics in example, we are chatting to our friend, we also have ethics. We can't just chatting, punch and kicking. Okay, scope of ethics, engineering ethics. Engineering, the scope is firstly, engineering is a social experiment. It's related to our moral, so it is a social experimentation. Okay, so it's about the personal commitment and meaning. Alright, the third one is a cautious optimism about technology. Okay, Code of Ethics. This one is an organization that provide a framework, the starting point, decision making. This one is example for the engineers. Role responsibilities of professional and moral responsibilities. This is a society that responsible. The first one is ABET or Accreditation Board of Engineering and Technology, NSPE, BM, ACE, ASCE, ASME, IU. Alright. Okay, abuse, of course. What happens if we abuse the course of ethics, or why we abuse? Firstly, to increase public cynicism. Secondly, to occur when honesty. It occurred when honesty is nothing. Third one is occurred when to protect the status. As example, when we got a leader. The leader, for example, use company money to buy his own thing, and when his worker know about this, he said, "No, I don't use the money to protect his status."
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to apologize for me and my friend being late to the class. This is the gimmick of the group. You know, actually, this is what we really call ethics. For you to understand the ethics, this is one of the ethics. You come late to the class, then if we go to the class, we have our own ethics. If you, as a student, you have your own ethics. If you are a lecturer, you have your own ethics. Everybody have their own ethics. And ethics is the thing that change by place. It's not the same as you go to the North Korea, South Korea, America. It's changed. In Malaysia, we are different. Let's go to our slide. What we should do, what we must do. First of all, is conversant code of conduct. Understand needs and responsibility. Whose needs and responsibility? Respond promptly to complaints and inquiries. As an engineer, you must respond to the complaints and the inquiries. Next, don't. Tell. Don't be tell. You can Google the meaning of the tell. Don't mislead the public. Don't give wrong information, or don't ever give your assumption to the public. You must give the facts and figure. Favoritism among vendors and suppliers. This is very wrong. This will go to cronyism, or maybe to the bribery, rasuah. So this is a few of the importance of ethics, which is it is as a guidance to us in our life. It is an inspiration to us, as a shared standard, as a support, mutual understanding, discipline, and also as a profession image. So, do we have a video?
Robot.
silent video actually. So you can see the difference between a good employer and quite bad employer. I'm sorry, employee. Okay, is there any question?
The slide where you put about scope of engineering ethics, can I know what is the meaning of cautious optimism of technology?
Cautious?
Optimism of technology.
Which slide is it?
Scope of engineering ethics.
Scope.
Third point.
Cautious. Cautious optimism about technology is we use the technology wisely. I mean, in the good way, because technology is something that is very critical, where it can harm us and also can help us a lot. That's why we say that cautious optimism. So we must be cautious about the technology, and beware of the power of technology, because technology is expanding very fast, and you can see that in a microchip or our what we call that. Sorry, I forgot already. But that's the meaning of cautious optimism of the technology. Any other question? 3 marks? Yeah. Thank you.
Can you explain to me why engineering is a social experimentation?
Engineering is social experimentation because engineering is about people. Engineering is about what people need and what people want, right? Because engineer solve the problem or create something new due to people's needs, right?
Right.
We have our iPhone here. iPhone 5. Okay, wait, relax. Don't. We have our iPhone 5. But then Apple create new iPhone, 5S, 6 Plus, anything. Because what? That is engineering. Why? Because people need more. We need more. Okay. Yes.
Arifan want to ask about the question. What is the difference between the moral and ethics?
Moral and ethics.
Beza antara akhlak dan etika.
Akidah.
Etika. Beza. Or not?
moral and ethics.
Yes.
Of course, for the first thing, it is not the same.
Not the same. What is
Yes, because first of the spelling, and second thing is moral. Oh, Nazri want to answer you.
Yeah.
Yes.
First one spelling. Okay, moral is actually it's a different types of things, but there was some got some things similar and got many differences. Alright. Okay. First one, moral is about human behavior. Alright. So ethics, we create the ethics actually. Ethics, for example, in the workplace, we create the ethics so that our business can run smoothly. Our organization can be, we can create a good organization, right? But the ethics comes from the moral. Moral is our behavior. Do you get it?
Yes, I get.
Can I add a few things?
Yeah.
But in Malay.
Oh, no problem.
No problem. Alright. Macam ni, moral ni adalah satu yang berada di atas. Kalau satu organisasi, dia adalah pengerusi contohnya. Dan ethics adalah pecahan pada moral. Etika. So, daripada moral datangnya etika. Etika dibersandarkan kepada moral. Faham tak?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, nice.
Education.
Good answer. Myself. In one of your slides, you were mentioning on solicit and tout. What is solicit and tout?
Yeah.
Solicit and tout means demanding atau minta-minta.
Tidak Google Translate dulu.
Okay, don't solicit or tout means don't be demanding or don't be minta-minta. For example, Hanan work as an engineer and he demands for a higher salary. Okay, don't do that.
But if this is right, is it still not acceptable to demand?
It is acceptable to demand, but then you have to demand at your own rate. I mean, you just work as an engineer. You work at a very small firm, but then you have less work experience. But then you want to get around 15K per month. So that is not a good ethics as an engineer.
But that one should decide by the company. You said your own rate, that means you can ask for any rate, isn't it?
Yes, but that's his ethics. That's his ethic where it define you by your own professionalism. It is very subjective, but then different people, different style of work, different experience, different knowledge, and that is the difference in the types of gaji, you know. Gaji, you know,
Salary.
I want to interact with you guys actually.
Yeah.
Job.
Okay.
Okay, any more question?
Silakan. Oh, tak ada.
Anas, no question? Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.